Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. This is a thoracic extension exercise. So you're going to interlace your fingers behind your head, thumbs pointing down towards the floor. And as you set that intention to get your thumbs down towards the floor closer, your elbows go up towards the roof and your sternum goes forward, about a 45-degree angle. So you're going to go into that movement, work that upper back, and then pause, and then return to neutral. So it's a small movement, but it's very specific. So you're going to come and extend, pause, and then relax. Extend, pause, and then relax. Just being very, very careful to not extend through the lumbar spine to make sure your movement is actually through the thoracics. Another one, progression that you can use for that is to pop the heels against the seat legs, and then the same movement. So thumbs pointing down towards the floor. Again, hold that intent to get the thumbs lower. So you're going to extend through the thoracics while you're pulling your heels in towards the chair legs. So you're going to turn the hamstrings on as well. It makes it a very challenging exercise. You're working a lot of muscles in this position. So you're going to go back and pause and then relax. Go back, pulling those heels in towards the legs of the chair. Relax and contract again to extend, pause and relax. And you can do 3 sets of 6.